How to share archive story on Instagram. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments and let me know, if it helps you out. So let's get started. And what you basically want to do is simply go to your profile. At the top right corner, you have these three lines where you want to click on. And then you want to go to your archive right over here. Make sure that at the top you are in fact in the stories archive, not post archive. And then what you can basically do is basically click on any story you have. I don't have many on here because this is just a test account, but let's say this one. Then at the bottom you can see share. So if I click on share on this one, it will immediately be brought to my story. So now what I can do is, for example, click on it, I can either leave it like this so people can actually see it's in memory. But if I just liked this picture, for example, and I want to repost it again, you can simply click on it, make it full screen. And what you can also do, I think, is simply delete the text. So now I'm going to try and fix this real quick. And there we go. We have it on full screen. We can now add it to our story again. And via that way, we can share an archive story on Instagram. Now, keep in mind is that you cannot just send an archive story specific only to one person in DMs, for example, or as a post on Instagram. In order to do that, you actually want to just save the photo as in your Photos app. And actually, now that I look at it, it does say share as post. And if I click on it, it actually does seem like I can actually share this picture as a post, which is actually quite cool. I didn't know that. But that is basically how to share archive story on Instagram.